Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Let's select the correct project. And one command in the terminal to start it. Wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. I made a list of changes I want to do. I can decide what I want to do next, and first I do one. Can play whatever I want. I currently don't need test runs. It's ready. It runs in the browser. Localhost for me. I think I wanted to start fresh. I was through with play testing. It's done with play testing, so I guess I take Sniper. So I'm in the middle. Sniper has a high range to shoot. Boss, I take split shot. I get stronger the more enemies kill. Enemies get stronger the further away I'm from the middle, so they will soon can attack. Will run to me before I can shoot them. It will get more difficult. This gives me skill point. I take more rifles, I guess. I take additional charge. Think. Now it might get more difficult slowly. I take another split shot and speed. Boss. No mist chain. I think. Why did I go terrain modes? I think no mist chain is. Explode and Death doesn't really help for big enemies where I don't have enough. Terrain rounds is hard to use, but when it's strong, no mist chain is strong if I can abuse it. See. Somewhat. What is my death? Is my death? Think for a moment. I thought I would save if I went to the right, but the big boss spawned. Was on the incorrect. I was not fast enough. One speed, interesting. Okay. I didn't have so strong single target upgrades, but this was 1-1. Let's see what I work on today. I have some UI bug. Wanted to make some boss models bigger. I wanted to cleanse my pets so they are not affected. I remember. Check money upgrade. Building needs more scaling on high values. Not so sure about this anymore. After playing, it's definitely a way to scale up and up and up. So I'm currently, I think I take it out. Maybe I need to revisit it. Do I? I tried it out. My thing is now limited. I think I remove it. UI changes upgrades. This is bug fountain win score did not make sense. Okay, there I want to have better scorings. Fountain I could do the same as for kings. Mainly interested in damage per second. So everything shouldn't be too hard. Let's start with gamer pets not listed in more info if more than one class. So first, I take Tamer. I take this one. Now I have two classes. And they are displayed, the pets. Tamer pets not listed. I think I have to take the Tamer second. Let's go and die. Now I have a Tamer. I have a Tamer second. No, it's also in here. What was it? Was it only legendary related? Tamer. Okay, let's try. Take this and I take this. Still in here. I cannot reproduce. Maybe I fixed it somehow. Maybe I need to give them skill points. No idea. No, I take another tamer and a second tamer. Both are visualized. I don't see it. I have to assume it's fixed for some reason. Maybe there's some load bug. It's also strange. I have here blue again. There's something off. Let's only take one. Tamer. Is it even? I want blue to make. Oh, please, everyone, but be fat. This is Okay, it's confusing. I never checked, but normally they are correct. Yes, they are not besides, they are below each other. So if I cannot do two balls. So I never checked two pets. So I change it. Tamer pets not listed. Two tamer pets not displayed correctly in Xperia. Let's watch into this bug. Look into this bug. I can easily reproduce. And I currently am not sure where I have the code for this. I start in Game Paint, I guess. This UI related. Let's close everything else. I should start in Game Paint. I should the character stats would be what it is. Great options, no. Paint player, character UI. Paint big UI, HP raw and special white, no. Play distance, boss timer, paint money, paint character class levels. This is the one. Paint level UI. Paint level UI. So this is for each character class. So somehow he cannot distinguish pets, basically. That explains it. This should go to tamer. Tamer should have this function. No. Then it's here. I go over all pets. It's a tamer character. Okay, here's a bug. If pet class def is some. What is it? Is it a character or is it tamer pet? I didn't. Let's call it character. Char is not a tamer pet, but here I can then const pet is this one. Character I put in the pet. Pet should now have an ID reference or something. There was it class ID ref. This has to be equals to pet. This is a pet. Maybe I call it tamer pet. This is to character class ID. Is it a continue? Is it let's make it like this. I didn't increase the version yet. Main 363. Reload once. Take a tamer, two tamers. Now they are correctly separated. Okay, I think this is a fix. Bug fix Tamer XP war multiple Tamer XP bars. Mit this is changed. Change size of fountain was like for kings. Let's see. This takes a while to set up. Close curses. I go for this appearance. Now I need to check. I have this one, perfect. I get cursed. Uh, 10 is enough. Oh, not what I wanted. Okay, close. Want. This was a big version. Now I have this one. Now I don't want this. Want close spawn areas. Take the weapon. Spawn area 1. I have 2. More. Oh, okay, and now if I start to activate, but this is not a bigger one. So it's a setup. I need to find out where I create the fountain was. This should be a boss, could be an area boss. No, they are different. Are they? Curse fountain boss. Paint HP bar paint. Tick paint. No, he doesn't. Then it's not over character, the creation, it's over map. Cleanse fountain? Maybe the cleanse fountain is responsible. And interact cleanse this one. This is a fight start. I start the fight. Map area is one on distance functions. Map area. Where do I use it? Curse cleanse. Map area curse cleanse. This. Okay, directly below. I was blind. I was searching for fountain, not for curse cleanse. Start fight. Determine was HP. Boss, curse. Characters find, player. Try datas. This is not what I want, I guess. Remember that retry has to work. For this I need to save retry data. I don't have retry datas. Push in some data, which is the curses. Then I use it to start. Okay. And then I get a copy character for boss. Copy character for boss. This might be where I can already set boss. What is the width I set? 20? 40? Take 40. Close spawn areas. I should not forget this. Was this the second? Is it the second? Anyone here? Again, I forgot, but I think this is the correct size. The size I'm fine with. So I consider this one more time. And not forgetting take my immunity away now. This is a bit easier to hit. Perfect. Is there another boss which I would copy? Maybe my clones. They're not necessarily bosses, so maybe not. Change increased size of turn boss mid. Cleanse Tamer Legendary Eyes should also affect pets. I can do this. This should be the curse is doing. Curse eyes is the important one. I need eyes are scalability, also focus level. This is not what I want. I need an. How do I do this? How do I care for clan? Not in here. I have to think a bit. Curse increase. It was ice. It should have a cleansed part. But where do I... Is it on Fly Curse or something? Or that would be a function in tier. Create. Curse and create remove with that tick. Create cannot do it. Only tick can. Tick checks if I have it. So I could check, but this is only Ice Aura. This doesn't make sense. I think it's on character. Is on the buff. No, no. If I move, I check for it. Oh god, okay. Need to think a bit. My pet cannot be cursed, but if finally understand, I think, where I have to search character move or something. Character. character, determine move character tick. Character tick, calculate character move position, slide direction. I don't have a slide direction. Here I have the slide direction and I'm moving. Here is cleansed. There I check. Character curses find, place and cleanse, then I do this. And I would now want to affect pets. So I would have a second check. I do when a character moves. So if character type is, how do I do it? Tamer pet character? I don't know if this is the correct character type. I think tamer pet character was indeed maybe the correct one. I would need to find the player and apply the curse, or I don't. Maybe pets are not affected by maybe tamer pets are not affected by ice, by sliding. This could be one condition. I think a bit more. Because I don't have a fast way to get the owner. And in adding it to the move calculation takes performance out, I would assume. But if I cannot save my pets from sliding, it's pretty bad. I guess I give them a curse cleansed is no longer the correct wording. Why do I check for tile slide? Ah, here is the slide direction, okay. This would mean immune to sliding. Slide immune. Okay, now I have one more check in here. this might have a performance influence. Let's get the spider. Does it matter? Doesn't matter. I want ice. Okay, ice is here. This is not yet enough. Spawn. This should have more ice. Maybe it's enough. So now I can take my pets and I should see they are still sliding. And if I reload, I didn't save. Spawn. I want to have ice. Okay, I go here. Okay, this is. They're not affected anymore. Okay, so for change tamer pets not affected by sliding, ice sliding. Now I am to UI changes. Wanted to change how I display upgrades. Let's deactivate this one. Take this weapon. I currently have 5 skill points. I could 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's OI. Doesn't matter. He has 10. This is not what I want. I want. Here I have my upgrades, but they are not so understandable. I would rather display the level. I mean, here's a difference. I think in some cases I could directly display the values, and in some cases I want to have an hover for more details, because they are not explained. And I remember I used it to there's some values which change, stay still for I can now see most effects. Okay. Level 10 was... How much damage does level 10 storm does to enemies? 10,000 already, okay. Okay, I had some stuff prepared for this. Like this, comment it out, close to the right, take this. This is a text change, I guess. Now if I have character thing, I take this, I go here, I can display stuff. There shouldn't be stick to the mouse, but it should stick. Should mark probably this line. I know what's affected. I also don't do it. Wait. Did I not save? Didn't save. Two, three, four, five. Don't care what I take. Easy to die. Saves. Doesn't matter that much, but now I have here. They don't have hover, they have hover. I remember I did it. Have to find out what I did. Yeah, I paint. Text lies with keys. And ability upgrade more info if mouse hovered. I don't see it yet. I painted to the mouse position, but I would to stick it to more info part, I guess. And this should break, shouldn't it? Because here I have found something. I mean, it doesn't matter that much. Character still works, but it can even break here. And what can I affect here? Because I don't want one size centered, bottom up. Have a fill rect global alpha. Don't want this global alpha. Make an value for it. Global alpha. Alpha is a number and it's 0.6 by default. Here I take alpha now. Apply. Now I can input this. font size centered. Let's go to here would be the next alpha is 1, so I don't make it transparent. Text is also not what I want. So the text lines will be changed. This is the upgrade text. So the hover text I put into here are not what I want. I also want to I return the rectangle. Can I const rectangle? Want to check something? To definition. Bounding box. Okay, this is what I paint. I don't want to do fill rect, I want to do draw rect. Or is it rect? Rect. F. Call it bounding box. Text. Stroke style. Stroke style is black. I guess this is what I want. Maybe I do line width to 2. So now it didn't happen because this is CTX begin pass CTX stroke. I hope this is correct. Yes, okay, now I have boxes around it. Now I want to check how to get the correct text in there. For the correct text, I will need to find out where I do hover text. Create more info part. This can have an hover text. I don't references. Okay, this is plot. Is it the upgrades? Is it the sniper? Snipe paint. Ability snipe paint maybe? Upgrade hover lines. Here is something. Let me see, did I do it somewhere else? Bounce ball. I did it for a few. And I have no pushability upgrade UI texts. This will push in these, and I call get more info text. I think I need a different function for it. Get more info. I want to change these names. Get more info. This is maybe the upgrade text, and this is next upgrade text. I'm an upgrade function. Get more info. Increase text. Get more info. Increase one level text. Increase one level text. Get more info. Text could be. I want to rename it. This is hover text. Hover. But hover doesn't tell the purpose of the text. It tells when I use it. Get more info. Plain text. Stats display text. This is. Should have not have done it. Okay, but this should break. You should have a lot of errors. 54, perfect. Because I can now 99% I can with the one level text. So I basically just search for, let's do one, get more info text, and I will replace with this one. And now I just, okay, and they are optional. It's fine. Probably a renaming would have been more efficient. But now I just see all. I slowly replace everyone. Did I? No, I closed. I missed. Let's click. Yeah, exceptions. I want to use a new one. Okay. Will be some work. Could also think about renaming more stuff, but I will see. This is no. This is somehow different. This is not. These are not abilities, I guess. Okay, then let's go through these. I will push ability upgrade text. So this is. Yeah, I have hover lines. I have to get explain text. This is, I think, the one I want. And what is this? Get option snipe upgrade. Cannot follow. Who is using this? Each upgrade. Calls this. I'm currently believing I have to. Is not what I want to get. Is one level text? Is the text I want here? I have no idea. These other options. I think it's the upgrade text. Now I have 0 errors. So now I should assume it's not what I want. It's still the same, basically. No, I lost the hover text. How did I do it? I don't know. Yes, I have the explain text. No one has an explain text now. So I need the explain text. I need to go to Snipe. Snipe has get more info, increase one level text. Something isn't adding up in my head. This is an upgrade, so already in here, I guess. Here I have them, and now I need get explain text, basically. Get more info, or get explain text, let's call it. Text. If I do it like this, go here. Oh, What would I want to press? Function. I guess I return the same thing. I have text lines which I return at the end. And now after shooting, after image is created, this is one text line. Stays and repeats the same shot for duration, and I need to have a max number of images. This doesn't add up. Times upgrade level. Need to have the upgrade in this case. I need to change it. Option? This is not an option. Upgrade. So it's slightly different. Upgrade ability upgrade, I guess. I could cast it to what I want. Is after image, make a shortcut, cast it. After image means this is now completely correct. Times after image level. So this would be after image, I guess. He's not happy yet because I changed the signature definition. This needs an upgrade. Ability upgrade. Okay, this should be better. This means I call them differently. Ability upgrades key. It's not an option. This worked before? Interesting. It's not complaining. Then let's see. Only have after image. I don't know if I have. Don't have after image here. What do I have? More rifles. What would be the next in the list? Backwards shot? Do I have backwards shot? No. Do I have damage and range? Explode on death? Explode on death I have. But I guess it's after image. I have this one. I go this, I go to backwards shot. I have increase one level text. Throw this here. Cast this to backwards shot. Backwards shot upgrade. I have to delete the text lines. I will too. Your main shot also shoots an additional. I forgot the synergy on the other one. The text line first. Your main shot also shoots an additional. Main shot also shoots. This is a backward shot upgrade level. Main shot also shoots number one additional shot backwards. And if backwards shot upgrade synergy, then I would add synergy other upgrades do the same. Other upgrades synergy effects other list of synergies. Synergy effects also affects these two. Okay, now explain text. This was backwards shot. Get point for explain text. Okay, it's bounded. I should go to after image for the synergies. If the image upgrade synergy text line push, something like synergy with more rifles. Okay, this might be fine. Go to the next one, damage and range. I don't have synergy. I delete the text lines. Take this. All damage. I think it's based on this one here. All damage bonus. This range reduction this. All damage bonus, range reduction. This is it, I guess. And get one for explain text. Okay, next. Do I need the ability? Might be a reason why I have it, I'm unsure. Explode on death. Should I remove it if I don't use it? I think for some it might help to have it. Explode on death was the first I can see. I did not copy enough, I would say. So text lines is deleted. Upgrade is this one. Explode upgrade. I have a list of synergies. Not really needed this, but I know the first line I wanted synergy with. Basically this one. And enemies hit by main shot explode on death. Explode damage. And have the two. Okay, so get explain text. Plain text. Okay, so this is the first one. My F1 unsaved. What did I not save? Backwards shot. Okay. Explode. Enemies hit by the main shot explode on death. Explode damage 50%. This doesn't tell me 50% of base damage, I guess. So and it shouldn't be centered. Doesn't need to be centered. But explode on death. I want this text to change. Explode damage 50 base damage. Upgrade level. Okay. So I do this for all sniper upgrades and then I will see. Explain text, I copy this fire line. Put it here. It's correct upgrade. Change this to fire line. Move this to synergy I have. Synergies over the main shot. The fire line, damage per second. Damage per second. Okay. Main shot create. The main shot creates fire line. Main shot creates fire line to link the function. Okay. Copy. Down. Paste. Fire line upgrade is now rifle. Upgrade. Delete these, I delete these. Add number of rifles. So this upgrade level, add more rifles, upgrade level, rifle, add one rifle rotating around, rifles rotating around. Copy the shooting action channel. Okay, this might be good enough. This is the one easier to understand just by seeing it. Next. Mist chain. This is the one where it matters. No, wait. The other way around. First, set up the function. Miss upgrade. I have to clean up. All other copies your shooting actions. No, this is full text. Each enemy increases damage. Capped only main shot. Okay. Something like this. Else this line is only relevant if I don't have the synergy. Hitting an enemy increases damage by a shot. Missing with a shot reduces damage bonus by... Oh, this is not the... level multiply. Miss upgrade level. Bonus cannot be continued, is kept at... Okay. Energy. I deleted synergy with Synergy with colon. I think it's the same. Let's explain text. Okay. I take this shot. So we move these. I have to take the correct type. Split. I don't know if I have to see. Synergy with main shot will split. The main shot will split. Split upgrade level. Every enemy hit. Not more. I think this is fine. Next upgrade. Stay still. Also would be helpful to explain correctly. Stay still. Synergy, all other upgrades. Not moving and shooting for activate damage bonus. The damage bonus. Damage bonus. Okay. Okay, this might be it. I mean, I could check if it's active over the ability. Wait. Not moving or shooting for second will activate damage on damage. Activate. Could just paint the number. Activate damage bonus. I'm missing the information that it's only for the main shot. So only affects main shot. Now it's complete, I guess. One missing. Terrain bounce. Delete these. Only affects main shots. This is fair. List of synergies. Main shot will bounce off blocking tiles. Each one will increase damage. Mm. Okay, and I need this one. Damage bonus. Bounce. Still not the correct upgrade, I guess. Bounce. Explain text, I link it. Okay, now should have more rifles. Add 2 rifles rotating around. It copies your shooting actions. The main shot will split 2 times for every enemy hit. Synergy with I should hitting an enemy increases damage by 8% per shot. Missing with a shot reduces damage bonus by 24%. Bonus cannot become negative. Damage bonus kept at 100% on each shot. I need to display the current bonus. Not moving and shooting for 1 seconds will activate 100% damage bonus. The main shot creates a fire line, damage per second 100%. Of base damage. So the chain bonus is missing the current value. Not what I wanted to press. Half damage, backwards shot, damage in range, explode on death, fire line. Of base damage. Okay, more rifles. No miss chain. I want to have the current. This current bonus is it in upgrade? No miss upgrade? No miss upgrade. Chain counter. Damage per hit times 100. This one, I think this is correct. Current bonus. And I should try to close a lot, I guess. Split shot stays only affects main shot. I could tell active or not active. Current bonus. Is basically this is stay still upgrade. Multiplayer active. Probably like this. Q and bonus. See a bit. Rifles. Synergy with after image records from rifles. Q and bonus 0%. Let's get a few and see if it works. Q and bonus 24%. Only main shot damage increase without synergy. Affects main shot 100%. I can. It's faster to just do this, and let's see. And bonus 0%. Main shot gets a fire line damage per single. Okay, off base damage. Okay. I should. I don't see the level. I want to change to display the level here. This is this text, I guess. But I want to have a default. Need to check something. Each upgrade has a level, I would assume. Is this required? To definition, it is. I could make it optional and create a default text. Close to the right, please. And all references. Here, pushability upgrade UI text. Here I do it, and I could have a default, I guess. If I don't set it, would be fine. Function default stats display text ability. This has to return a string, I would guess. It's ability to string. So I return, he's happy? No. What am I forgetting? Forgetting something. Okay, colon, I'm forgetting. Now I need one example. Some default should be ability. The name. Ah, okay, the sniper has synergy. This might be interesting. I don't have a default, but I have a default for sniper. Or does... Wait. I failed something. Why is it ability? This needs to be an upgrade. I failed. Get stats display text. Now I'm confused. This goes for an ability. This is not what I expect. And here... I know the upgrade because... This is confusing me. Why do I put in the ability only? And I just access the upgrades in ability snipe. Is someone interested in this? This looks old. I think I change this with my time. I still have time. It's like I want to... It's an upgrade here. Upgrade. Ability upgrade. This shouldn't create any problems because leaving this parameter out doesn't care. In most cases. This would be... this one. I access it now 2 times. Ability upgrades key 3 times. Once upgrade. Do it like this. The upgrade key. If upgrade, I do this. This should be helpful. Tamer character. What is happening here? He has his own case. Add ability upgrade keys. Have them key of upgrade keys. I mean, I could, it doesn't matter. I go to ability upgrades. No, not unique upgrades. Key. Then he's happy. And this should not change anything yet. Compiling. Okay. Did I break it or I was too soon? Character. So everything still works. But I need a small break. I will be back. And I'm back. See a bit. I left with changing function stuff, and I wanted to get a default function in my base idea. Then I was confused, and then I needed to check there was some strange stuff. Now I want this one is a base. Get a default. Wait. Default display text. It's like this. I don't care about this. I have ability and upgrade. Ability upgrade. This will be the upgrade name. Only have the level. Interesting. Upgrade doesn't have a name. So I need the key. Oh, I'm confused again. Ability upgrade just has interesting. So the key gives me the name. So I change again, I guess. I need the upgrade key, which is a string. And with the string ability upgrade key. Const upgrade. Then I would have the upgrade key. And I would upgrade. Wait. Level. Should have a level. You don't know what's in here or what? It's any? Really? Why is it any? Something like this could be a default. But why is upgrade any type? Oh, I'm confused again. This is inability. It's indeed any. Shouldn't it be ability upgrade? Does it break anything if I call it ability upgrade? Let's see. It's not assignable. Because I don't have a level or what? Give me one example. It's not assignable, but it is. I need to do S, then this is fine for you. And I have 7 problems. because I now need to do this everywhere. Interesting. But this should be better in my mind. I now have 148 errors because of this. To go over a few, maybe there's a reason. So I would probably more likely change this later. This is more work. Go back to any. So it's always an ability upgrade. I should expect a level. And I don't know if I want default display text. Could also be level like this. I mean, I can easily change all at once if I do it like this. So the question is Synergy a case I can check? I could. So if upgrade it doesn't know as any interested synergy. Then I would do something else basically. This is text would be text plus equals synergy, I would guess. Then I return it. This might work. So I now have a default. I move it down. It's not exported. I now would go to make this optional, then he should complain. Complain, shouldn't you? Perfect. If else ability key. Yes, I changed this. No, this should not. The upgrade key. Okay, I go to definition because this is string. I want the upgrade key here. And here's the key. This might be fine. But this also needs to be pushed. And I need here the same. Now this would mean that I need to make it public because I need to call it here. Because they are a special case. Default upgrade ability upgrade get default. I change it. Export. And now check if else this would now be only the key. Great functions. Const upgrade function. This is more upgrades functions, and this is upgrade function. And I should have a key. Okay, I'm here, I have a key. Then I check if upgrade function gets text. This, then I could push like this. Right. Great functions is happy pushes. It's to be here too, and I need T and key. Okay. So this is fine for now. Now I should check if I begin removing. Starts display text. 1 second, just upgrade synergy. This was what I need. Let's close stuff. So I'm adding an after image. Synergy. It's similar. Okay, now this can be deleted. Complain. This should now happen. All of these. What's shot? Damage and range. Oh, not this one. Get display text. I hope I don't delete the wrong one. synergy up. That's display text. I mean, it's always these lines I delete, so. Fine, I hope. Don't jump around like this. Lines deleted. Can I scroll? Okay, I can also find it like this. I mean, for chain hit, I could have kept it because it gives an additional information. Let's go to back. Chain hit, I make an exception is the word. Chain bonus. I want level. This is the old way, I don't know. Let's change it. Plus. And this is indeed if else I can do in the old way. Chain bonus level upgrade level. Then I have the value. Okay, let's keep it. Split shot I cleaned up. Wait, stay still. Terrain bounce. Okay, now I check. I have slot on desk level 1, chain bonus level 2, 0%. I need some level to comma, I guess. Split shot level 2 and synergy. I guess I want more upgrades and I wanted to I'm not sure about centered. Let's left. Center to left. I have no idea where it happens. Close to the right. Right. Close to the right. Now here I push the text, I don't display them. Is it more info? Create some more infos part. I have the hover text. And somewhere and this is centered. Font size centered is false. Why are you centered if it's false? Liar. Don't use it anymore. Interesting. Why not? Centered. I should care for it. Somewhere I center it. To check. I get the bounding box. And in the bounding box, I have font size and then center too, but should pass it through centered. Okay, let's try again. Or is it now no longer in the box? Okay. I see problem number 1. The X offset. X doesn't have an offset. But I have the bounding box. Temp paint. Temp paint. Temp paint. Paint position. We will move if centered. Now move temp paint pose X is bounding box top left X. Let's try this one. No. Did I not reload? Okay, now I saw it here. Now this is incorrect. Now it's exactly the wrong way around. It's not centered. Now this is correct. And it's... Do I have spacing or something? Oh, I do it +2. Let's see. I think this is fine. Two rifles rotating around. Shooting action. Main shot will split 2 times for every enemy hit. Hitting an enemy increases damage by 8 per shot. Missing with a shot reduces the damage. I want to have more, but basically this is not what I wanted. Let's get this sniper. I can load my old one, my old save. I still have it, I guess. Remember, copy from clipboard. wasn't it level 35? Yes. After image, level 3 synergy, split shot 5, chain 4, level 1 damage and range, stay still, level 8, so backwards shot synergy. Your main shot also shoots 2 additional shots backwards, synergy. Sure. Terrain bounce. And the bounce only affects main shot. Because I don't have synergy on it. Okay. No synergy. This is a lot missing damage. Entschuldigung. Synergy with damage to range reduction 50%. So I guess this is how I want it to be. Which means can start to make a bit commit. Changed. More info, upgrade, display, hover text. The house is making strange sounds. I'm confused. Maybe we'll check. But I want to make it good. Changed my info, upgrade display. I simply more detailed text and simplified. Single line, something like this. Okay. Next, text is not correct. Text should be painted differently. So I am on here. It's confusing, but just display level. Okay. Other text for other classes will be next, but not today. I want for builder is maybe an exception. Sniper ball, I could probably. Musician, I should check them all, I guess. I check them all, builder. I think builder might be the one that's not so helpful. Because he doesn't have upgrades in the same sense. Okay, but I should come to an end soon, so let's run my automated tests and see if I get any problems. Don't show this text. There was some change I was worried about. Okay, I remember that pets no longer slide. This definitely changes this test here, so this breaks, I guess. This makes sense. So my short king is broken. I don't know if someone else. I still have the. What was it called? got a hard mode kill. This might have also the ice thingy, which will now change. So I expect the last test to also fail. And it's just a task to fix it. It seems the sliding change doesn't affect general performance in a measurable way, at least. Okay, tamer still works. This should also still work. Should also work. After this comes the interesting one. Did my have pets, and for this should fail to 99%. Don't even know if this will finish in any measurable time. What was my change? After some time, it kills, I guess. Okay, but the expected ones failed. So I need new test one. This is not a normal test one. I put it at the end of my list. New test run, short, king, and got kill. King kill and got kill. So this update tasks. Commit, and now I can push. Gets deployed. And just should check. Here I cannot really. Tamer, maybe others might not. I will find out. Ball. Okay, but I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.